Tomorrow will be better. A 200 grams bullet is shot at 400 meters per second into a 1.5 kg piece of wood resting on a smooth table. Find the velocity of the two objects after the impact. Dear friends, I have taken time to underline the very important words in our question. Now let's analyze each of these words and then pick out useful information from them. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. The first of them here is into. Into here implies that this bullet is fired and it will get embedded into the piece of wood. So at the end of the day, we will have no more two separate objects, but two objects which join up to make up just a single object. Now, the piece of wood is resting. Resting means that initially this piece of wood has no velocity. So V is 0 for the piece of wood. Now, on a smooth table, the smoothness of the table here eliminates the existence of significant friction. So the friction is assumed to be very insignificant or 0 completely. So with this in mind, let's apply the law of conservation of linear momentum, according to which total momentum before collision should equal total momentum after collision, provided no external forces act on our system. So total momentum before collision will be mass of bullet, velocity of bullet. This should equal, now since these two objects will move together after impact, they will have a common velocity, which is what we are looking for, and into the sum of their masses, mass of bullet plus mass of the piece of wood. From here you notice that we can make V the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by this mass of bullet plus mass of wood, mass of bullet plus mass of wood. If you do it correctly, you have that the velocity of both will be equal to the mass of the bullet times the velocity of the bullet divided by the mass of the bullet plus the mass of the wood. And if you do it numerically, you will have that here we have 0.2. Why? Because it's been given in grams. You have to watch out for the units, which must be consistent, times 400 meters per second, all divided by mass of bullet 0.2 plus mass of this, which is 1.5. And if you punch this correctly on your calculators, you should end up with approximately 47 meters per second. And this is how easy it is. Tomorrow will be better.